Hello friend, today I want to show you how to solve that problem. Samsung all models is showing the, you see is showing blink, also is showing is on off only, this is not showing screen. How to solve this problem? See nicely completed videos. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, never miss any videos. Also I want to put a charging, is not showing charging. See there, only just showing blink. After then you are press power button, volume down and volume up. 3 button press is 100%. That phone is done. Only just hold 1 minute. Now is leave it the charging point. So you see now is phone make it on. See nicely. Please like and share videos and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, never miss any video. Now is 100% phone, you are done. Only just 1 minute, take it out, your phone is done. Only you have any phone, press power button and volume down and volume up. 3 of them press same time. After then is phone, you are done. Also put it charging. Don't forget like and share videos. Also subscribe to my channel.